everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun project video we've got a nice laser cut design for the Longer Ray5 Laser Engraver. A couple weeks ago I cut out a Steampunk Heart, which I have here in my hand. I'm really starting to learn how to dial in the settings and play around with the configurations and all in the file programs and all, and I'm really learning how to make better and better things on it as each project goes by. Here is the Steampunk Heart I made, and I posted this over on my Instagram feed. If you're not following me there, please follow me there. I post there daily, but really cool. It cut this out in about, I want to say 30 minutes over on the laser cutter with 2mm plywood, and that's what we have here to make the same project out of. I'm going to enlarge it and make it a little bit bigger, and then we will go over to the scroll saw and make a backer board to paint red and attach it to. I'm really excited to do this project for you guys, so let me move the camera closer to the laser engraver, get my safety protection glasses on, turn on my exhaust vent, and we'll get started. And over here at the laser, we're going to begin by setting the Z-axis with the little billet and the Allen key, and once that is in place I will measure the piece, and it's 5.5 inches wide, so I consult my metric 2 inches chart there and punch it into the program, and I will put on the safety glasses and begin the framing process. I will frame it twice to make sure everything is in the right position, and then this is just me, I will take some masking tape and just tape the piece in place. And here is the design we're doing. I vectorized it in the laser program, and the next few pictures you will see some of the settings I used, and the screenshot I grabbed here says it was 1.5mm plywood. I did use 2mm plywood, so just forgive me for that. I hope these settings help somebody, but then we will hit go on the laser and it will begin engraving. My exhaust fan is pulling out all of the fumes that come from laser engraving, and I hope you guys like the little pirate flags I put on the engraver head. It took around 34 or 35 minutes for it to do all of the cutting. Of course, this is sped up. The design that we're cutting out is actually a scroll saw pattern, and I contacted the designer and asked them could I use this design for the video, and he graciously said yes. So thank you for that, sir. I'm really getting comfortable with the laser engraver, dialing in all the settings and just experimenting with different woods and mediums. I've already engraved on some aluminum, and I've also cut out some cardboard designs as well. So a real great versatile tool is the Ray5 Laser Engraver by Longer. Once again, Longer sent me the laser for free to do a product review, and I posted that last year toward the end of the year if you guys want to go back and see how it was put together. Just a really awesome technology. If you guys like what you're seeing, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me over on Instagram. All of my social media links are in the description box below. And now that all of the cutting is done, we will take the piece up, and I will flick it softly a few times to knock all the little cuts out. But there is the heart, and we will take it over to the workbench and use the washer technique that I love to use and get a perfect backer board on this 3/4 inch material. And we will go over to the scroll saw and use the number 5 reverse tooth blades to cut it out. And I kind of sanded it off camera, and then we took some red spray paint and spray painted the backer board. and let that dry. And once it was dry, we attached the laser cut piece to the backer board with CA glue and spring clamps. I very rarely use the activator. I like to use the clamps to make sure I have the piece where I want it. And after that dried a few minutes, I came back and removed the clamps and gave the project several coats of clear gloss, clear coat, and the project was complete. And here we have the completed Valentine's Day Steampunk Heart, and it came out amazing. All in all, it took the laser engraver, which is the Longer Ray5 Laser Engraver, around 34-35 minutes to cut everything out, but it cut out everything nice and crisp, and then the detail is just amazing. And then we had the assist for the scroll saw there at the end to cut out the thicker backer board. And since this project is so light and not very big and it don't take up a lot of room, I'm probably going to hot glue some magnets on the back and either stick it to a tool out here if it'll fit on one, or take it inside and put it on the refrigerator. But really cool, really awesome. I love the steampunk genre. I have several friends in the steampunk community and I network with them. I love the industrial look, the brasses, the coppers. You know, I'm not a real fan of gold. I mean, I'm just gonna go out there and say it. I'm a pirate, but I don't like gold. I prefer silver. You see, most of my stuff is silver, but really cool, really awesome. And also, with this being a Valentine's Day project, the gears in the heart can also symbolize the work it takes for a relationship to work. It's not just two people connecting and then everything is roses. It takes time and effort for a relationship to work on both parts of both people in the relationship. But really cool and really awesome. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and also follow me over on Instagram. My Instagram page is where it generated enough interest when I made the original Steampunk Heart for me to come out here and make the video to document the process. I hope you guys learned something. As always, I'm learning every time I'm out here in the workshop, and I'm happy to share everything with you and hopefully teach you guys a thing or two. But really cool, really awesome. That's about all for this one. Remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.